What's up? Thanks for clicking. Before we get started, if you want to learn more about prompt engineering, ChatGPT, and more, make sure you check out my website, digitalempires.org. It's a community site that's way better than any Telegram, Discord, or newsletter that you've been on. Do that right after you watch this entire video. And without further ado, let's get started. So in order to summarize any YouTube video that you want, we need to download this extension real quick. It's called ChatGPT Sidebar. Right now, I have one of Joe Rogan's clips pulled up. It's a 15-minute clip about Bill Ottoman on sneaky TikTok ban. Right now, I have this prompt. You check out the description below. I'll have that in there for you on the prompt that I use. But right now it auto loads the transcript into the extension. Then all you have to do is press submit. This works best if you pay for ChatGPT Plus subscription, but it also has a free version that you can use for a limited amount of queries. The way I have this prompted is going to format it into a digestible quick glance, so it has subheadings and bullet points. That's all because of the way I prompted it. And as you can see, it takes the whole video and it summarizes it. So you can literally take 30 seconds to get the gist of a 15-minute video. So I wanted to go over the settings that I have. I have ChatGPT Plus, so I use the ChatGPT web app. I like the 3.5 model because it's fast. GPT-4 is better, but it's really slow. I hate waiting, especially when you're trying to summarize a very long video. It takes forever for it to summarize. GPT 3.5 is good enough in terms of how the answer is. And I just love the fact that it's super fast. I can get the summary done within 30 seconds or so. So I keep it on the default 3.5. This plugin also works with Google search. So while you're doing a Google search, you can have ChatGPT sidebar also answer your query. You can set it to always, question mark, or manually, and you can add different prompt templates to do that too. And finally, the coolest part is that after it summarizes your YouTube video, you can ask it questions afterwards. So if you wanted to know a certain thing that was said in the video, you can ask ChatGPT what that was. So I decided to ask it, how is this information useful for me? And it told me that the information provided can be useful in understanding various issues related to free speech, government transparency, social media, peace, and hate speech. And then it goes on why you should care about this video. Obviously, you can ask it anything you want, but it's a pretty cool feature that you can do to when you're summarizing videos. You can learn a lot. This is like my main use for ChatGPT. And using this plugin, it's all I do pretty much all day. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. I wanted to keep this short. If you like this type of content, let me know what you want to see next and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.